Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com. Excited to make an announcement for all you YS1500 owners out there. Today is your day because today Yoder has released the wood-fired oven for the YS1500 pellet grill. Now over the past year, our team has logged countless hours cooking inside these wood-fired ovens on the YS480 and the YS640 smaller pellet grills. And I gotta tell you, it's no exaggeration when I say that this wood-fired oven has far surpassed my personal expectations of what you should be able to do on a pellet grill when it comes to pizza. And yes, pizza is the first thing we think of when we think of our wood-fired oven. And we've done all different kinds. I mean, we've done low temperature cooks for Chicago deep dish. We've done really hot cooks for Neapolitan style and everything in between, including Chicago tavern, Detroit style. There's so many to choose from. But beyond the pizzas, there's so many other capabilities here. I mean, you've got the potential for baking, you've got the potential for roasting, even sauteing on top of the oven. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box when you buy it. First thing you're gonna have is your frame, and this is what the oven sits on. That frame is crucial because it's what allows our wood-fired oven to sit inside the 1500, because this oven is the same size oven for the 640, for the 480, and for the 1500. But now you've got this bracket that your tabs will lock into, and all you gotta do is find these little slots, line them up with the tabs, and lock the oven in place. Beyond that, just gonna slide the stone into place like you would on the smaller ovens as well. And then we're gonna push this all the way to the left. The other thing you're gonna get in the box is an 18-inch grate to fit alongside the right side of this actual oven, because you can do some cooking off to the side here. We've still got our heat management plate in, so we're still getting heat coming up. To cook in the oven, you're gonna pull that damper all the way out, so now the flame is free to come over the top and give us that beautiful top-down browning. Now we've figured out that inside the wood-fired oven you can get temperatures up to 700 degrees, but you can also tune it way down so that you can do stuff like casseroles, you can do meats, side dishes, and desserts in here as well. Now to get an idea of how things cook on the right side on the 18-inch grate, over here if the grill's set at 450, you're gonna get about 350 to 400 degrees, which is plenty of heat for roasting items. But maybe my favorite thing to show is cooking on top of the oven itself, because this oven is putting off some serious heat, so you can put together sauces or even roast potatoes up there. The other really cool thing about this is we can actually still fit our second shelf in here. So now you're able to do a long, low and slow smoke on the top without even having to take the oven out. So let's go ahead and whip up a pizza here. Gonna get the dough stretched out nice and thin. I'm gonna do a really simple sausage and shallot pizza with some provolone and mozzarella. Got some semolina on the peel. Just gonna put down some pizza sauce. Low moisture mozzarella. Hot Italian sausage. Shallots, and then some sliced provolone on top. Well, let's see how this thing cooks. Yeah, it'll cook just fine with the door open. There's plenty of heat going on right now inside the oven, but I like to close it up just for about the first minute and a half to trap that heat in. So that's about a minute and a half. Pretty even browning. It's a little bit heavier just on the back side, but fairly even. We're still gonna give it turns so we can get all of the browning even all the way across. 4 minutes in now, looking really nice. We use just a little bit more color and a little bit more browning on top, but we're close. 5 minutes in now, we've got beautiful browning all the way around the edges. The bottom looks really nice. We're pulling this out. Let's get a bite. You can see it's got really great structure, still holding up. Nice color on the bottom. Let's dig in. Man, that's good. Really great cook on this pizza. The dough's just got the right amount of chewiness and airiness, and then crunchiness in the bottom. That's pretty special for 4 or 5 minutes. You know, we cooked a couple of these pizzas today, back to back. 5 minutes on the first one, a little more than 4 on the second one. Recovery time is fantastic. We can just keep feeding it pizzas and it keeps up with you. Well, I know you 1500 owners have been anxiously awaiting the arrival of this product, and so have we. And now that it's here, I'm confident in saying that it was worth the wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com and check out that YS1500S and everything else that we feature on this channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our team. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.